Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this nice fall glam look and I am just super excited. I have been so into everything that is fall right now. Even though it was like 80 degrees the last few days, it's still, all my leaves are falling and we have a ton of trees in our house, around our house. So we just bought this old fixer-up farmhouse last year. And so the one thing that my husband was really adamant about when we were looking for houses was it had to have a lot of trees. He didn't want just a big open lot. He wanted to have some character with our acreage. So we ended up finding something that was about 2 acres. And this house, let me tell you, gives me anxiety. But I love my property, I love my house, and someday it's gonna be the most beautiful home. But right now I have pheasant wallpaper in my makeup room. Look at those cute little doggies. We have things that go wrong about every day, and it's just, it has been an adventure. And if you want to see our progress, make sure to follow me on Instagram, because once we get something done, I love posting about it because it just makes me feel so good. But right now we're about halfway done with a ton of projects, but just haven't finished them yet. But wow, I really went off on a tangent about my house. But anyway, it's gorgeous. I go outside and there's just leaves falling everywhere and all these different colored orange and red trees. Oh, it's just so beautiful. I love my home. I love my home. Yeah, so this is a look that I wear about every single day to work too. So I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, let's get started. All right, to get started, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And just going in and going all over. Y'all, for how much this primer is, it does a whole lot for my skin. Like, it really blends out those pores and sets this wonderful base for my makeup. Okay, next going in with my foundation, I'm using the Revlon ColorStay foundation. Just taking my beauty blender and dabbing that in and covering my face. And just beat the hell out of your face. Rocky, quit. You wanna come over here? Come here. Rocky, come here. You wanna be in the video? Rocky, you wanna be in the video? You wanna be in? Look! Say hi. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. See, look. Say, hi, I'm Rocky, and I'm a mean little old man. Yeah, the meanest old man. You can sit on my lap. Y'all are probably like, oh, but he looks so sweet. Seriously, that dog let me tell you. Like, I don't think I'm ever gonna get a Chihuahua again, ever in my life. And there may be some sweet Chihuahuas out there, I don't know. I've never met them. But mine is not one of them. He is an angry old man. We're going to use the 16-hour Camo concealer for our concealer. He is an angry old man who just growls at everything, is up my butt 24/7, which some of you are like, oh, but he just loves you. No, he just is super needy, and it's not just he's up my butt. He wants me to hold him constantly and be on my lap constantly, which is fine until you're doing something, and then you're like, dude, could you give me some space? This is why I don't have kids yet. I don't have kids for a reason, because I like my space right now. I don't want that with a dog right now. I want that, like, I expect that with children, you know? Not with a dog. They kind of do their own thing. Opie, on the other hand, he just does his own thing. He sleeps all day. Rocky whines for no reason. I feed him, I let him out, I hold him, and he still whines and shakes. I don't know what he wants. Obviously, he can't tell me. But what do you do? And sorry for the rant, guys. Just, it's hard when you get an older dog. Like, he's probably 16 now, so I need to be a little bit more understanding and lovable. But, which I am the biggest animal person, so I already am, but it's just like he pushes that to the limit. And I just can't sometimes. I just can't. Anyway. Alright, so now I'm going in with my powder and just setting all of that foundation in. Okay, so for this fall glam look, I want to use more plums and warm fall colors. And then I'm going to be using a very beautiful glitter. So I will be using the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. And I'm going to be using a fluffy crease brush and going in with Major Hottie. This guy. And using that as a transition shade. I'm gonna go in with some tape just because I want to make a nice fierce eye. And I'm not putting it right up on my lash line, just right below so it kind of can come out. Next, I'm going to be going in with a smaller blending brush, and we'll be using the color Hypnotic, which is this plum color here. And I just want to keep that on the outside of the eye. And I'm going to go in with Smolder next, which is this brown color here. And with that same brush and just dabbing it into the outer corner. Next, we'll be doing a little bit of a cut crease. We're just going to dab some concealer onto the eyelid itself and going in with this nice flat brush. It's an eyeliner brush. And I'm just kind of carving out where we'll be putting our glitter. Now I'm going to set that with the color Savage. And going in with Make Believe, which is this nice glitter. And dabbing that in. Okay, and just going in with a clean brush and just kind of blending out the outer edge. Then going in with my flat, fluffier brush and mixing the Smolder and the Hypnotic together. Damn! I'm obsessed with that eye. Okay. So then I'm gonna do the same thing over on this eye. Okay, now time for contour. So I'm gonna go in and with this angled fluffy brush here, I am just going to kind of blend that out. Really shape my jawbones. I have gained a ton of weight since college and I like my face to look as skinny as it did then. So I really like to make sure that my contour on my cheeks is in the right spot. So I just go right where the face starts to come in. And then a little bit on my chin line. And then a little bit on the forehead so I don't look like I have a 10 head. And then lately I've been going in with this tapered brush and using that for my nose contour and just going up and down. And then for the blush, I just go in with this middle color in the Phase Zero palette trio thing. To set that all down, I just go in with my big fluffy brush and whatever's left on my brush, I just pat it down. Lastly, I'm gonna go in with some highlight. What's the word? And I'm using the Morphe Spark. Shine bright like a diamond. And now for lips. So this lip color I am super excited about. It is the NYX Okay, it's time for lips, and I picked up this color. It is Budapest by NYX. It is the soft matte lip cream, and I am super excited about this color. I mean, yes. So if you know me, you know I love NYX lip color. They always just have the best colors, especially neutral colors, and of course I'm obsessed with this lip. I love a dark lip. I love how smooth it goes on, and how well it stays on. It goes straight matte. It doesn't move. Like, I mean, I have to apply a couple times during the day if I wear it to work, but I mean, it's a cheap, beautiful lipstick. Like, if you're looking for a good lipstick, choose NYX. I promise you will not be disappointed, especially their lingerie collection. My favorite. My favorite colors, my favorite lip. Oh, let's just say I like this lipstick. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this was helpful to you for a nice, beautiful fall glam look. Please subscribe. Don't forget to let me know what you think in the comments and share with your friends. Let me know if you tried out any of these products or this look. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. See you next time.